So we're going to be taking this apart. I'm going to do it quickly. That's because I've done it 1,000 times before. So take your time, be steady. Okay, I'm going to open up an A600. A pretty bad one. Keep the screw somewhere safe. Okay, so there's a clip in here and it's extremely fragile. So what I normally do is put a little screwdriver in there and then just ease it out a little bit so that it comes off like that, and then we'll do a similar thing on the other side. This one looks broken, which is very common, and then we need to lift it up slightly and unclip the LED cables and then slide it back. These clips along here are quite often broken and they can be replaced using 3D printed spare parts. This needs to go over that. And it needs to be, as you can see, it's a bit wobbly, and that's what happens in transit. It pops off quite often. So we need to push that down nice and solid. And if you've got some little screws, maybe a bit like this, you can actually just screw it down a little bit, because there's little holes in the motherboard to allow you to do that, just to help stop popping it off. This is the most important clip, the one down here, because there's no screw, whereas this one does not that important. That's broken, that's okay, that's broken as well, but for an example on how to close it, you just slide that, clip it at the back a little bit and slide it down before you shut it completely. We connect the cable back up. Okay, and now what I would do as well, just to make sure we don't break this clip, is just to ease that out a little bit and then slightly push it down. There you go. And then we can screw all these back up again, not over tightening them and not using any screws that are too long, otherwise they pop out here. Okay, so now we're going to try sysinfo just to check that everything seems to be working okay. So we've got 020 processor, so it's detecting the Furia. We'll do a speed check. Nice. Okay, and memory. Cool.